Hello students, this is the third part of our second lesson. It is 1.2 on to the summit. We reach the top. So open your books, page number 17. On this page number, there is given Indian flag. From here, we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Colonel Hunt said, by all means, it means, look at the board. By all means, it means of course. Another meaning is definitely. Colonel Hunt said, by all means, I am glad. Glad it means happy. I am glad to know that you brought an Indian flag. So when Tenzing Norgay said to Colonel Hunt that I am having Indian flag with me also. So that time Colonel Hunt said to Tenzing Norgay that I am very happy. Of course, definitely I am very happy that you are having Indian flag with you also. After 1 hour of steady going, steady it means balanced. Balanced. Steady going, we cut across from the south face and started up the west side where we had to pass up. Pass up it means go forward up. We pass up a steep line of rock. Steep. It means sloping, straight, or sloping. Another meaning is sharply. Another meaning is almost straight up. So any mountain, suppose this is a mountain and any part of that mountain is having very steepness, almost straight up. This part of the mountain is almost straight up. So this kind of straight part, almost straight part, very sharp slope, that is called steep line of the rock, steep part of this mountain. So we cut across from the south face. At first, Tenzing Norgay and Hillary started journey from Camp 9, southern side of that mountain, and slowly they went to the western side of that mountain. And when they reached to the western side of that mountain, that time there was a steeper rock and they had to cross, they had to climb on that steep rock, almost a straighter rock. This was slow and difficult, and that time when there was a steep rock, they had to climb that rock. So that time their speed was very slow and that was very difficult for both of them. Once we had cleared these, there was nothing barring. Barring it means restriction or another meaning is stopping. Barring our way to top but to snow covered incline. Incline in English means slope. Sloping less and less as it nearer to the top. Now here Tenzing Norgay is giving us information when they crossed that steep rock, straight rock part of that mountain. After that there were anything difficult for them to stop them from reaching onto the top of Mount Everest. There were only snow covered everywhere. That mountain was completely snow covered on the top, and the sloping was slowly becoming less and less. At first the slope was very straight. Slowly that slope was becoming less and less, and in this way they were reaching onto the top of that mountain very easily. These last 60 and 70 feet up to the top were very dangerous, and there that steep rock, straight rock, that part was of 60 or 70 feet up, and that was very difficult for them, very dangerous for them. But we kept up the same steady pace, but they kept their pace. They kept their steady, balanced speed and continued their journey. They didn't stop anywhere. And we reached the small flattened. Flattened it means become flat. Flat it means in this way, in this position. Flattened summit almost together, and finally they reached on the summit, onto the top of that mountain, and the summit was completely almost the flat. It means this is the mountain, and this part is the summit of that mountain, and that summit was almost flat, nearly flat, and they could sit here, they could sleep here. In this way, this mountain's top summit was almost flat, and they could see it, they could feel it. And onto the top, almost nearly both these people, Tenzing Norgay and Hillary, reached at the same time. So students, today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.